you do not need to be a psychologist or a psychotherapist, and you can have a very holistic, practical education that allows you to go and work with clients right away. Okay, secret number 1. You do not need a psychology degree or psychology education to be able to truly help others transform their lives, and you do not need years of education and $30,000 to $50,000 in tuition fees to have the credibility and the authority and be an expert in your field. And that's coming from a psychotherapist that I have been down that path, and that's why I want to share with you here the future of transformational coaching. So let's compare just really briefly the traditional psychology model to whole wellness coaching and the future of transformational coaching. So in the psychology model, most likely you'll be required to have a master's degree, and at least in the state of California in the United States, you need to have 3,000 hours of internship and then take a pretty intensive test to become a licensed psychotherapist. It takes about 5 to 6 years, and like I mentioned, the tuition fees can be quite high. The education is wonderful, but it's very academic. You're learning a lot of the theories and the modalities, and yes, you do get to practice them, but it's still within a very academic context. It's become more holistic over the years. I have to say I did notice that, but it's still not as holistic as I'm guessing you would like to be. In the future of transformational coaching, you do not need to be a psychologist or a psychotherapist, and you can have a very holistic, practical education that allows you to go and work with clients right away.